In today's video, I will walk you through how to use depth of market on MetaTrader 5. Start by locating the Market Watch panel. You'll usually find it on the left side of the MetaTrader 5 interface. This panel displays the trading symbols available on your account, along with their live bid and ask prices. Once you've found the Market Watch panel, browse through the list of available symbols until you locate the trading pair or instrument you want to work with. Take your time and select the symbol you're interested in analyzing. After you've found the correct symbol, move your mouse over it and right-click. This will open a context menu containing several options related to the selected instrument. Look through the menu until you find the option labeled Depth of Market. Depending on your platform, you may also see it abbreviated as DOM or simply Depth. When you find it, click on that option. As soon as you click Depth of Market, a new window will open for the selected symbol. This window displays multiple price levels along with the corresponding buy and sell order volumes available at those prices. Take a moment to look through the information shown in the window. You'll see different price levels listed together with the volume of buy and sell limit orders at each level. This gives you a more detailed view of the available market data for the instrument you've selected. As you continue looking through the window, pay attention to where larger groups of buy or sell orders appear. Large buy orders at a particular price level can indicate support at that price, while larger sell orders can indicate resistance. Reviewing these order clusters helps you identify areas where buying or selling activity is concentrated. You can continue monitoring the depth of market window while watching your chart. As market conditions change, the information in the window updates to reflect the current order volumes at each available price level. When you've finished reviewing the information, you can simply close the depth of market window or leave it open while continuing your analysis of the selected symbol. Keep in mind that the depth of market feature is intended to be used alongside the other analysis tools available in MetaTrader 5. You can compare the information shown in the depth of market window with your chart and any indicators you're already using as part of your analysis. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching,